making the RV safer for those physically challenged. RV manufacturers have never been known for making motorhomes and trailers that are easy for the physically challenged to access. They've been making improvements, but most RVs have limitations to design that are related to being a private vehicle. Space limitations, cost limitations, and so on. Many manufacturers have tried to make things better, but in older coaches, what was built is what was built. The purpose of grab bars is to provide support to a person, using it to pull yourself up, lower yourself down. In the realm of grab bars, there are many options that have been used in vehicles, from simple straps to rods bolted or welded to the frame of trucks and cargo trailers, to custom decorative grab bars. In this form has become part of function, because some grab bars are made to look good first and provide a minimum of support. One of the challenges our coach presents are the stairs going into the coach. These have a grab bar on the wall outside, one on the same wall on the inside, and one on the dashboard. That's the way it came from the factory. This might be enough for someone who has good mobility, but someone who has challenges with stairs, this is not enough. To address this issue, I had a grab bar that had corrosion under the chrome plating, and it was peeling off. After taking it apart and cleaning off some of the corrosion, then painting the ends, I attached it to the stair cover to give an additional place to help in going up the stairs. When we cover the stairs when traveling, the grab bar gives Sherry a place to rest her feet. Another place is the shower. This is where the grab bar I used for the stairs came from. I replaced that with a stainless steel ADA certified grab bar in the same location. This worked for a while, but Sherry found that it wasn't enough, and it moved with the wall. The ADA standard requires 2 bars anyway. The bar was on the wrong wall for getting in and out, especially with the base of the shower as high as it is. ADA grab bars are better for this because to comply with that standard, they have to support 250 pounds, be of a size that's easy to hold, no sharp edges, and give good grip. So to address the problem, with the help of our friend Brandon, I added another bar to the opposite wall where the shower controls are located. This is the required location by the ADA. Lowe's was close when I remembered that I had this project to do, so I sorted through all the choices and found this one to be a good choice. The other stainless steel bar that I used in the shower worked well. In fact, it worked very well, except for one thing. The covers for the mounting flanges collect water and allow mold to grow behind the cover. This is just an issue for cleaning, and everything else was working fine. So the new bar has no covers over the flanges to collect water. One less cleaning chore. When adding a grab bar, you need to look for support. The wall needs to have some strength to it. This wall has some support, but there are areas that have nothing but fiberglass to screw into. This just requires adding support to the back. In this case, I have access to the back of that wall for the plumbing, so all I needed is some wood to add support to the back of the fiberglass wall. Now the stud finder was helpful, but gave odd results. This is not unusual in an RV. The construction is not what this device was designed for. Thinner walls, fiberglass with variable thicknesses, and other things that will give false readings. It's best to use the old "let's look behind" method if possible. After finding the best option for where to drill, I marked and pre-drilled the holes with a small drill bit. This also told me what I was attaching to as I drilled in. The new grab bar needs to be sealed to the wall to keep water out of the wall. Clear silicone bathroom sealant spread around the flange at each end of the bar and in the holes that I drilled did just that. Then just attach the bar to the wall using the stainless steel screws that were included. With the grab bar added, we can use both bars to climb in and the new bar to climb out. As I have been getting older, grab bars have been becoming more important in doing things. The ADA standard is a good place to start when thinking about grab bars. What size, how to attach them, where to put them, and how many are needed. This standard was developed from research that we can use as a guide into what we do to make our coach safer and easier to use. Now, I'm not telling you to start reading the whole standard, unless really you want to fall asleep. It's big and it's a bunch of legal information. Most manufacturers of ADA products have already done the research. They've looked into that and pulled out the important information and have the standards simplified to what is needed on their websites. Some examples are in the description below.
Thanks for watching our video. If you like what you see, press the like button below and subscribe. And also check out our other videos.